Jesus, Jesus said to me 3 times if he truly loves me, if I truly love him.
Peter.
Yeah. Okay. Dad has 1 point. Mom, you have to listen.
Okay, I'm listening.
Listen. Listen.
Okay, I'm listening.
I spread those. Wait, no.
You what?
No, this is another one. I was in a fiery furnace, but it came out with nothing happening to me.
Meshach.
You have to say all 3 of the words.
Meshach, Abednego, and who else that?
One of you guys have to say one of it.
Meshach, Abednego, Shadrach.
Shadrach.
Sa toraka me sako apitani.
No, too late.
Penka kera Fesili son.
Okay, that's not fair, so yeah, I'm gonna give you 2 points.